boys and girls, so we're doing topic 1.3, comparing and ordering whole numbers. So it says, a robotic submarine can dive to a depth of 26,000 feet. Which oceans can the sub explore all the way to the bottom? Okay. And it says you can create and use representations, a number line, or a place value chart can help you show your work. So let's highlight the important stuff. So this says a submarine can dive to a depth of 26,000 feet. And it wants to know which oceans can the sub explore all the way to the bottom. Okay. So 26,000 feet is the most the submarine can dive. So I'm just going to put this here, and I'm going to put I'll just put most it can dive. Okay. So it can only go up to 26,000 feet. Anything higher than 26,000 feet, the submarine might sink, it might explode, so it can only go up to 26,000 feet. And so they're giving us a chart here, and they want to know which oceans can the sub explore all the way down. So we have, I'm going to go through them. So we have the Atlantic Ocean, which is 28,232 feet. We have the Pacific Ocean, 35,840 feet, and the Indiana Ocean, 23,376 feet. Okay, so it's like it says here, when we're comparing numbers, the place value chart really comes in handy. Okay, so we can either draw it, or in my case, just to make it faster, I already have one here. Okay, so let me just blow it up. Okay, so we're going to take this number, 26,000 feet, and we're going to take these numbers, and the first thing that we need to do when it comes to comparing them is to put them in order from least to greatest. I always feel like that just makes it way easier for us. Okay, so if we notice, they all have 1 comma. This one has 1 comma here. This one has 1 comma, 1 comma, 1 comma. So since they all have 1 comma and they all have 2 digits in front of the comma, so I'm going to circle it in blue. They all have 2 digits in front of the comma. I'm going to just focus on those first 2 digits in front of all the numbers. Okay, and I'm going to see, okay, which one's the smallest one first. So I have 26, I have 28, 35, 23. Okay, I want to say 23 is the smallest. So that means this is the least, Indiana. Okay, and so to help me out, I have my place value chart already, and I'm just going to plug the number in there. Okay, we're not dealing with decimals yet, so we don't need this part. So I'm just going to scratch it off so it doesn't distract us. Okay, and now I'm going to write the number in. So, and it has a comma here, so it's going to be 1,000. 23,376. I forgot to put my comma. Okay, so I'm doing it from least to greatest. That's my first step. And I can even just put it, I guess I'll put it here. First step, least to greatest. Okay, and I can scratch this one off because I already used it. So now I'm going to see, okay, which other number comes next. I have 26 again, 28, 35. Okay, I think 26 comes next. So I'm going to put 26,000. Okay, and I can scratch it off because I used it. And then I have 28 and 35. So 28 comes next. So I'm going to put 28,232. Okay. Scratch it off. And then my last one is Pacific, which is 35,840. Okay, and let me fix this too because it's really bothering me. So now they're in order from least to greatest. And as you can tell, they all start in the 10,000s place. Okay, and they all have 1 comma here in the thousands. So now I can compare these numbers and I can answer the question. The question again, I'm going to say it. It says, which oceans can the sub explore all the way to the bottom? So remember what we put here. This is the most it can dive. The most it can go to is 26,000. Anything higher than that, it will explode, it will sink, it just won't work anymore. So I need to find, so here's 26,000. I need to find something that's less than 26,000 and not higher. Because anything higher than 26,000, it's going to explode or sink. So since I put these in order from least to greatest, I already know that this one is higher than 26. I can't do it. This one, 35,840, is also higher than 26. I can't do it. Okay, so the only one that is less than 26,000 is this one, 23,376. Okay, and if I go back, which one did this one belong to? It belonged to Indiana. Okay, and I'm just going to put it right here. Okay, so Indiana is the only ocean it can go and explore to. That is our answer. And that is how we compare numbers. When you compare numbers, just keep in mind you need to know the place value of each digit.